Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This one I'm showing you how to change the battery in your key, because I've noticed when I go to unlock the car I have to fight with it and press it a few times before I get a reaction. So that's a good sign that your battery needs replacing. I believe it's just these little circle ones that go in it. It's a 3-volt one, lithium Duracell battery. I don't know if it's like that for every car, but this one is obviously a Ford Focus key. And all you need to do to get it out is, you see that there? You need a little screwdriver to go in that, and then you just pop it out. You slide it. But I literally just grabbed this. It's a little, I think it's a nail. I don't know what it is. Something to do with your nails. You can get the dead skin off. But I tried it a minute ago and it fits in there perfectly. So, let me see if I can put the camera down where I can show you what it does. So I've just popped you down on this seat for a second, and literally you just push that in there and pry it backwards, and then you see it comes undone. Then you can literally just pull it out. Key's separated, now you've got this bit. And then all you do, there's a little clip either side. I literally just pull that up and then it lifts off, see? And now you've got it separated. And bring the camera back up for you. There is your battery. So now it's just a case of obviously getting the new one out. I did get it out already to make sure it was the right size, and it is. So do double check when you replace yours. That is the correct size to go in there. And yeah, I'm going to put the new one in now. I don't think you need to see me watching that because it's quite self-explanatory. You just need to take that one out, put that one in. And I'll be back to show you how to put it back together. So guys, I swapped them over. That's the old one, that's the new one. I did actually get this little screwdriver just to help pop underneath and pry it, because it's quite awkward to, if I get a close up. It's quite sunny, sorry guys. There's little clips that hold the battery in. It's quite awkward to get your fingers in there if you've got big fingers. So just a little flathead screwdriver just to help get underneath it. Does the job fine. And then obviously this is the other section of the key. Oh, and another little pointer. Make sure you put it in the same way. So this one, the writing was facing up, so I put it in the same way just to be on the safe side. You can just about see the writing there. Yeah, so this one literally again just it's quite self-explanatory. I mean, there's not really a wrong way to do it because you can see by the shape of the key and the holes line up. Just make sure the clips on the sides line up together. It's really sunny. It's really there you are. There's little clips. There you are. Just pop them in, and that one. Oh, just locked the car then. There you are. The battery works. They're in. It's a little bit loose, but it can't fall out. See, there's a little gap. All you need to do now is put it into the actual key. Again, there's not really a right way it goes in. Just do it again. You just pull that on and slide over the top. I'm gonna try to do it with 2 hands. Sorry, 2 seconds. Get it lined up. Now let me but this is actually really awkward with one hand. There we are. So I've pushed it in, and then obviously you just need to push it all the way in and hear that click. That's it, done. And that's it. And now is to check it. I'll do it from the inside, see if you can hear it. There you are, there. Straight away. Happy days. And there you are, a nice easy little task to do. But obviously, if you haven't been shown, you don't really think that it's just a little simple battery. And literally, within a couple of minutes, get a little screwdriver, pop it in, replace the battery, put it back together, and it gets rid of that little annoying thing that, like, having to fight with it. It was grinding on me for a little while, to be honest. But yeah, there we are. All sorted, good to go. If you found that useful, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, because if you didn't see my first video on this car, I got a lot of ideas on this car, and the car just locks itself again. Yeah, I got a lot of ideas on this video, and the horn, I'm in the process of looking at it. I've been looking at the fuses already, and the fuses look okay. It's not blown, so I don't know whether the relay might need replacing, or if it's the horns underneath, under the engine. I'm going to keep doing some investigating on that, and I will be doing a video on that as well. And I'm still on the hunt for some alloys for this car. I've messaged a few people. They just want silly prices. Some people haven't even messaged me back. So I'm still looking. But yeah, here you are. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.